I'm okay, I'm going to my voice line. Touch my torso. Sorry, I'm going to my Kyoko voice lines for a piece of vegetable. From music to perform on my mention day. That was I think I'm not to kill me. I'll just don't you done me. Okay. I am going to my Kyoko Sakura voice line, so here we go. Hello everyone! I'm Kyoko! The Puella Maki Mazuka Magic Gang! Yes! Yes you are! Yes, 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 yes! Ew, gross! Me 5. Oh, Akira, how dare you play Naria Girls team song? Say gibberish and fart on us? You know that a kid got you arrested brutally. That's it. You're banned from the Toho Puella Magical Magica and people abroad. Go to North Korea, run right now!